What's up, my YouTubers? Today we got 2015 Chrysler 200, the limited edition, 2.4 liter. We're about to do the stabilizer link. You know you gotta jack your car, take the tire off, 19 millimeter. Take the tire off. Okay, what I did was I turned the wheel all the way towards the passenger side. There are two nuts, one here and one right here. Let me see. I'm gonna put my other hand right here. See it? Right here. So we're gonna take this bottom one off first, and then we can take this one off with an impact. But if you don't have an impact, you can use a wrench. Sometimes it's a hole inside of the links. So if you're taking this nut off and it's moving, you put an Allen key wrench in here and hold it and use a wrench to break it. Okay? So let me go ahead and take this bottom one off. Hopefully I don't have to jack the car up to get this to fit in there. Hopefully it just goes in easy. Let me see if I can. A little bit of it up. Yeah, that helped me a lot. Really. Okay, now we're gonna take this one off. I'm gonna try to use my impact to get that one off pretty quick. But if you don't have an impact, you do the same thing like you just did with the wrench. With the ratchet. Let me see. This will break. Break pretty quick. See that? Alright. You know this dropped down. So you kind of put more pressure on top of these. What you have to do when you take these two bolts, these two nuts out of the stabilizer link, you see at the bottom, I have another jack. Put that under the control arm and jack it up so you could get the stabilizer links them out easy. If you have a jack stand, take the jack stand, put it under the car, drop the car on the jack stand and take your jack it up with, and then you jack this up. If not, keep the jack on there and get another small jack and just jack up the control arm until the stabilizer links are free to come out. So when you do that, your stabilizer link will be easy to come out now, like that. See that? They're real easy now to come out. If not, you're gonna have pressure on these links from the shock, because when you take the wheel off, the shock drops, and that put pressure on the stabilizer link. Now we're about to put the new stabilizer link in the vehicle. All right. Okay, when you're putting your new links on, start here. Do not start it down there. You're gonna have problems. Put it in here. And if this is not lining up to that hole right here, like that, you get you a wrench and you put it on this side and you put it over the stud and you pull it a little bit like pry on the way to this hole. Alright? That's how you gotta do that. And if you have to, just take this down a little bit. The jack at the bottom, a little bit so it can line up. Wet down too much. Yeah, like the jack at the bottom, you're gonna play with it because see, it's not lining up. Now if you go up a little bit, see that? It's lining up. So, see that? A little more. A crowbar like this, you can kind of put it right under here and jack this up a little bit to see if you can put it in. Now, like that. See? Now it's in. I'm gonna use the nuts that I took off because those is, to me, is better. So all we gotta do now is tighten these up. You don't move that jack stand as yet until you tighten everything back up. Then you can move it, but do not move it. Put pressure on it. If you're putting this on and this start moving, you can put a wrench over this right here and you can hold it. Alright, that one is tight. Now I'm gonna try to put the bottom one on. I know I'm gonna have to use the ratchet. I'm just trying to put it on a little bit. See that? Here, put it on. Dropping everything. Now that one is almost tight. I'm gonna use my ratchet to finish the job down at the bottom. Get your ratchet and just go ahead and finish tightening it up. You know when it's tight. Don't go too much. Cause you don't want to break that. That's it. Stabilizer link is on. Hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a friend. DIY Diagnostic and Repair. Like, comment, share. Alright? Now, you could move that jack, that stand that you have at the bottom. And I'm just going to let this jack back down. That's sitting underneath the control arm. Now all we have to do is put the wheel back on. Take my lights out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back inside the vehicle and straighten the wheel, and then we're about to put the wheel back on. Now you put your wheels back on, put your nuts back in, start in my hand, then you just tighten them up, and we're about to drop this vehicle.
I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always